Ringbrothers, renowned for their exceptional custom builds, has once again pushed the boundaries of automotive innovation with their latest creation, TUSK. This masterpiece is a meticulous reimagining of the iconic 1969 Dodge Charger, blending classic aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. Limited to just 100 units, TUSK boasts an array of features, from a powerhouse Hellephant engine to a custom chassis, carbon fiber components, and a thoroughly redesigned interior. At the heart of TUSK lies the monstrous Hellephant engine, Mopar's 1,000 horsepower crate engine. This 426 CI, 7.0-liter, supercharged V8 not only delivers an astounding 950 ft-lbs of torque, but also powers the Charger through a Bowler TREMEC T-56 Magnum 6-speed manual transmission. The bespoke carbon fiber drive shaft and forward 9-inch rear end ensure optimal performance and handling, while the engine's position, set 2.5 inches further back, enhances weight distribution. Every inch of TUSK reflects the meticulous craftsmanship of the Ringbrothers team. The Charger's iconic front end features an exposed carbon fiber surround with a billet-machined chrome trim, emphasizing the distinctive blind eye grille. Custom touches include reshaped quarter-end caps, tucked and narrowed bumpers, removal of windshield cowl vents, and a unique two-piece carbon fiber hood. The result is a radical reinterpretation of the classic Charger design that took over 5,000 hours to complete. The choice of BASF Glazuret's Black to the Future paint accentuates TUSK's tapered fenders and muscular proportions. Contrasting gold elements add a touch of menace to the Charger's visual appeal. The front wheel's repositioning, extending the wheelbase by 2 inches, enhances handling, while the Roadster Shop FAST TRACK chassis and Fox RSSV coilovers ensure dynamic performance. Baer Brakes Extreme 6S6 piston calipers provide ample stopping power. TUSK's interior seamlessly blends modern comforts with classic design. Upholstery Unlimited has crafted a bespoke leather interior, featuring a carbon fiber console and a Mopar-inspired pistol grip shifter. Technological upgrades include a Gentex rearview mirror, Dakota digital gauges, and a vintage air gen for climate control system, offering a perfect balance between performance and comfort. TUSK by Ringbrothers is a testament to the fusion of classic American muscle car styling and cutting-edge automotive technology. This limited edition masterpiece, with its Hellephant power, custom chassis, and meticulous detailing, represents the pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship. The 100 fortunate owners of TUSK will not only possess a rare and powerful machine, but also a work of art that pays homage to the golden era of muscle cars while embracing the advancements of the present day.